Do you and your daughter ever get confused for sisters?
Mom, you're so annoying.
Annoyingly hot?
Oh, yes!
You know, I didn't have this problem until I started using Yavari. It's like your own personal fountain of youth for smooth and vibrant skin. This beautiful moisturizer bottle is packed with revitalizing ingredients like vetiver, neroli, and black gram oil. Yavari, clinically proven to soften and firm your skin. But there is a downside. The other day I got ID'd at the bar. Hashtag hot mom problems. You might say I look unnaturally young for my age, but Yavari has 100% all-natural ingredients including turmeric, mango leaves, ginger, and most importantly, black gram. And it has no chemicals, additives, diluters, or binders in it.
No one knows what binders are, Mom. Gosh, you sound so old.
But I don't look it.
No, you don't.
Apply Yavari twice a day to tighten and tone your face, neck, and chest to get visible results in as little as 2 weeks. Just use it at your own risk. Yesterday, I found this on my doorstep.
Mom, that is mine!
As if.
Get back here! Mom!
Yavari adds youthful radiance and intense moisture so that bare skin will look beautiful without makeup. Now I don't need concealer or foundation to hide my skin's imperfections because Yavari got rid of them. Now the only thing I have to hide is my creepy dolphin laugh. See? And Yavari isn't tested on animals, unless you count cougars. If you try Yavari and you're not aging like a fine wine that the bartender won't allow you to drink because, you know, too young, don't worry. Yavari has a 30-day money-back guarantee. They say youth is wasted on the young. And now it can be wasted on you too. Get some youth-enhancing Yavari today.